In this video, we'll show you how to create an account on LIQUORexam.com. This is the very first step you'll need to complete before you can begin your training and certification. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. Let's get started. The first step is to visit LIQUORexam.com. Our system will automatically detect your state, but if it doesn't, you can select your state from the drop-down menu. If your employer has provided you with an access code, we have a separate video on our support page that shows you how to use it. Otherwise, just choose your state and move on to the next step. Once you've selected your state, the available courses will appear in a menu below the drop-down. You can scroll through using the arrows or click the View All Courses button to see the complete list for your state. If you'd like more information about a course, click More Details. Or if you're ready to start, just click Enroll Now. For this example, we'll click on More Details. This is the course description page. Here you'll find important details about the course, including a summary of what's covered, any state approval information, and additional requirements. On the right side, you'll also see key details like course length, certificate validity, exam requirements, and your passing score. Once you've reviewed this information and you're ready to begin, simply click the Enroll Now button to continue. This is your cart. From here, you can review the course you selected, remove it if needed, or add additional courses at a discounted rate. Once you've confirmed everything looks correct, click the Continue to Payment button to move on to checkout. Now it's time to create your account. Fill in each of the required fields, starting with your first and last name, followed by your date of birth and phone number. Next, enter your email address and confirm it to make sure there are no typos. Then create a secure password and confirm it in the second field. Finally, enter your street address, city, and state. Be sure all information is accurate, since your account details will appear on your certificate and may also be used for verification later. Once you've entered all your information, the system will verify your address to make sure it's valid. If you receive an error, you can enter your employer's address for now and then update your personal address later in your profile. After everything is accurate, check the box if you'd like to receive account updates by text, complete the CAPTCHA, and then click the blue Submit button to create your account. On this screen, you'll see your order summary. If you'd like to receive a PVC wallet card or a full-size printed certificate by mail, you can add those to your order here. Otherwise, you'll automatically receive both your certificate and wallet card as PDF documents that you can download and print at no extra cost. If your employer provided you with an access code, which is essentially a prepaid course credit, you can enter it here. Or if you have a discount code, you can also enter it in this section. To display these fields, click on Have an Access Code or Discount Code, and the drop-down menu will open. Once it's visible, type your code into the appropriate field and click Submit or Apply. This will adjust your order before you proceed to payment. If you don't have an access code or discount code, simply scroll down to the Billing and Payment section. Here you'll enter your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and the name on the card. LIQUORexam.com accepts all major credit cards, PayPal, and Venmo. Once you've entered your details, click the Complete Order button. If the name on the card you're using does not match the name on the account, you'll see this declaration appear. This applies when, for example, a parent is purchasing training for their child, or when an employer is purchasing training for an employee. To continue, you'll need to review and agree to these terms before completing the order. Once your payment has gone through successfully, you'll see this confirmation message. After clicking OK, you'll be directed to a screen where you'll need to set up your security questions. These are simple questions such as your favorite food, the city you live in, or the last 4 digits of your phone number. It's very important that you remember the answers you provide here. During your training, you may be asked to verify your identity by answering these security questions. If your answers don't match, you won't be able to move forward. So make sure you set answers that are easy for you to recall but not easy for others to guess. That's it. You've successfully created your account and purchased your course. You'll now land on your profile page where you can begin training by clicking the Click to Start button next to your course. At the top of this page, you'll also see tabs for exam results, which will show your past test scores, transaction history, which displays your payments, and profile, where you can update your personal information at any time. For now, just go ahead and click to Start to begin your training. Now you've learned how to create an account on LIQUORexam.com. Thank you for choosing LIQUORexam.com for your hospitality compliance training needs. We're proud to support you and your team in building knowledge, confidence, and compliance in the workplace. From all of us at LIQUORexam.com, best of luck in your career. And remember, we're always here when you need us.